The other day, I bought myself new leather motorcycle boots, and immediately I ran into a problem where the boots were too stiff because they were brand new, and I couldn't get my toe underneath the shifter properly. And, it was difficult for me to shift. So what I had to do was lift the shifter arm up so my toe could fit nicely underneath it. And it actually worked really well. The only issue I had was when I wanted to gear down, I had to lift my whole foot off the peg in order to get my foot high enough to be able to gear down. It wasn't too much of a problem, and I've actually gotten used to riding like this. But what's happened now is my boots actually got a lot looser and more supple. And when I want to gear up, my foot's too low, and I have to lift my toe too high to gear up, and I keep going from first to neutral instead of first to second. So I'm hoping that my boots are supple enough now that I'm able to lower the shifter. I'm using a size 10 spanner to do that. And then I'll be able to shift properly and not struggle too badly, and be able to gear down without lifting my heel off the peg. Okay, so it seems like it's worked. It's quite easy to get my toe underneath the shifter and on top to gear down. And my toe doesn't seem to hook. Unfortunately, the arch of my boot seems to hook on the rubber part of the peg, which isn't comfortable. So every time I'm sliding my foot backwards after shifting, it seems to hook over there. So I'm wondering if I should maybe try remove those rubber grips on the peg and just have the metal spikes exposed. I'm going to use that same 10 spanner and loosen the bolt and remove those rubber guards, and let's see how that works out. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's try it out. I'm able to get my toe underneath nicely. It doesn't seem to hook too badly. It's not perfect, it's still hooking in the arch of my boot. And I'm able to get down without lifting my foot right off the peg. So it seems like it might do the job. But what I'm going to do is I'll take it for a test drive and let's see how it works, and let's see if the vibration is too strong on the pegs. I've read somewhere that that's the reason why they have that rubber on there, is like for commuting and whatnot, so you don't feel the vibration too badly. But if it helps with the shifting and with the hooking, then I might just keep it off, but I'll let you guys know.